made it for nothing, I turned into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through poverty, I'm not minority, you know my story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away, yeah. I'm in prison, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga house on seats, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them other kids can't beat it, yeah, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation. Top gun, that's on me.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth, I was always holding you down. You down, baby. Ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? What is love? Would you believe it if I told you all about it? Our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast as fuck. Just don't get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, buy some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. Who said it's gon' even last? Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. You know I won't do that. I'm sorry I said that. Yeah. Swear the fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the paddock and you think a nigga blowing time. Here's your blood. What we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
What's that?
What is love? Girl, what we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
I made it for nothing.